Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hierophome here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to check your FPS in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition with no mods required whatsoever. So the reason I'm recording on my phone is because for whatever reason I'm unable to show the Xbox overlay using OBS as well, and it may be due to some Microsoft privacy policy or whatever. So yeah, so I'm going to be recording with my phone camera, so excuse the bad video quality for this video. And yeah, so now let's get started. So basically, I'm going to show you my keyboard, and all you have to do, all right, so just follow this. Go ahead and press Windows plus G, and boom, as you guys can see. So now you can check your FPS, your VRAM, or your graphics RAM, and then CPU and RAM usage as well, and all of this good technical stuff which you probably won't understand. Maybe you'll understand, but just in case you don't understand, hey, it's completely fine. You do not need to worry about all of these things. What you need to do is check your FPS. So as you guys can see, so this is my FPS around 50 to 51. And then you can also check your Xbox status, which means all of your friends that are currently online in Minecraft Windows 10, as well as all of your friends that are online in general. So if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Now, goodbye.